I look like I'm naked, but I'm not, I promise. I'm going to start off with the Ultra Strobe Cream from Makeup Revolution. It just gives a nice little glow to the skin. I already feel younger. No. Okay, so onto the eyebrows. I'm using the Rimmel Brow This Way. It is in medium brown. Okay, my lids, I'm using the usual P. Louise base in the shade Rumor. Now, I don't have it in the actual packaging. I did put it in a little container. So, yes. But I'm pretty sure you all know what it looks like. And I'm just going to pat that all around my lid. Little mask as usual on the eyes. I'm going to use the Lick and Lash palette. It is 35 0 and I'm going to use some browns out of it. Now all this palette is brown, so there's no point in me trying to point out which ones. I'll just go dark brown, light brown, medium brown, whatever brown you got, use it. I would say this is a dark brown, because it is. Dark brown right in the corner, each side of my eye. And then I'm going to just bring that round. And make them neat. Voilà. Then taking a fluffy brush, I'm going in with a medium kind of warm brown. Just gently blending over that edge. Whenever you're happy with that colour, I'm now going to go on to a really light brown, like a skin kind of colour, like a tan skin kind of colour. And just go right round those edges. Just basically blend that into the skin. Again, going in with the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to cut the crease. So put it in the middle, look up. Ooh, the contact started drying out there. I was concentrating so much. So if you have weird eyes like me and it just doesn't suit this kind of eyeshadow, like the Spotlight Eye, I normally tend to find if you just like look straight forward and try fake a lid. I just have really tiny eyes and it's very annoying. Very annoying. Fake lids, done. Now, back in with all those colours. So I'm going in with the dark, right at the edge. Taking a little tiny pencil brush and going in with that medium brown. Start blending over that dark brown. In the middle, I'm going to go with a little champagne kind of shade. that dark brown again and putting it right under my eyes. Okay, so I have just went and stuck on a pair of lashes, which are the Keely MUA Urban Babel lashes, and it's actually the Keely ones. They're big and I like them. Yeah, so now onto the face, and not until I close this up in case I break it. Okay, now onto the face. What do I do with my face? I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Double Wear today. And, ooh, that's a different colour again. I'm taking a wee Rimmel London lip pencil, and it's just in a brown. Before I go on and do anything else, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm just going to take butterscotch. I'm taking the Barry M Matte Me Up in Nude. I'm taking my usual Hoola Benefit bronzer and just gently blending that in where you would normally put contour. And for a little bit, ooh, that just broke. For a little bit of bronzer, I'm using the Lustrous, yeah, palette, and again, just gently buffing that into the skin. Now onto a bit of perfume. Why not? No, I actually don't know what I was going on to. Highlighter. Right. Going back in with that hat. Ooh, that closed on me. Where's that little brush I had a second ago? Ooh, there it is. Now going back in with the butterscotch. Okay, so everyone, that is me done with this look. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please like and subscribe, and you'll see this face more often. And yeah, checking them as teeth were white. They are. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.